guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name's Kaitlyn Harrison, and today is going to be an update video on my fitness and dieting situation. And you might have noticed, I think I posted my last video like 2 or 3 weeks ago. It must be 3 weeks ago. And I said that I was going to be doing weekly updates, and I was super committed, and then tragedy struck in my life. I was in a car accident, and I actually fractured my left eye socket, so this one right here. I have it pretty well covered up with makeup right now, and I had to get emergency surgery, and I got that 2 weeks ago, and I wanted to film, but I was in so much pain, and my eye was completely swollen shut. Like, I'll insert pictures here. So YouTube was kind of out of my range at the time. So I am back now, and I have great news. As you can tell by the title, I have lost 11 pounds. It says 11 pounds, but I'm actually pretty sure it was more, and I'll explain what I mean. So when I started my fitness journey around like 2 weeks ago, I was 153 pounds, and I am 5'10", so I'm not overweight, I'm not underweight, obviously, and I really wanted to lose probably 20 pounds of fat, because I just don't like the way I'm looking right now. I like to look toned, and I'm just not that. Mostly I'm trying to get rid of this little pouch of stomach fat that most girls have, including me, and to get rid of that, basically you just gotta get really toned. You have to go to the gym, you really have to watch what you eat, and that's basically what I'm trying to do. And I weighed in yesterday at the same place, and it's extremely accurate. It's one of those machines that you put your legs in and stuff, and it measures your body fat and all of that. And I weighed in at 142, I believe. Yes, 142. I'll put a picture of that on the screen as well. And I started out at 27% body fat, and now I'm at 24% body fat. And then my muscle was 26% muscle, I believe, and now I'm at 27% muscle. So this method that I used for my diet, I actually gained 1% muscle, so there was absolutely no muscle loss. Actually, I gained muscle, so that's really awesome, and I only went to the gym once. But before the accident, I had been going to the gym, so obviously that's when I would have developed the muscle from, because when I was doing this, I did not work out. Now my BMI, I believe, is 20, and that one is still completely normal. As long as you're above 18.5, that's when, if you're below 18.5, you're underweight, according to the BMI scale. But yes, I am at 20. I still have the stomach pouch, annoying. But I did notice in the mirror, my waist looked a little thinner, which, yes please, but it's still definitely not where I want it to be. I decided I'm probably not going to include before and after pictures in this video, only because I want to wait until I think there's like a drastic change. Yeah, now I should actually probably get into telling you guys what I did to lose 11 pounds, probably more, in 2 weeks. Yeah. So I'm gonna kind of explain my journey. So I was supposed to get surgery on the Friday. So Thursday, starting at 12, I had to start fasting for the next day so that I wouldn't die during surgery. And I started at 12, and then obviously all through the night I didn't eat, and then woke up, did not eat, and waited until I think like 4 o'clock, did not eat. And they called me up, and they were like, hey, can't do your surgery today. You're gonna have to do the same thing tonight at 12 o'clock. Fast and come into the hospital. So I didn't eat until like 4 p.m. that night, and actually it was probably even later because dog, stop it. It was probably even later because I didn't eat right after 4. So anyways, next day, I did not eat until probably like 6 o'clock maybe? Is that when my surgery was? 6 o'clock? And had my surgery, obviously still hadn't eaten, and then 9 o'clock when I got out of the surgery, I broke my fast and ate some like hospital crackers and some chips. Lovely. We love a healthy queen. And the next day, woke up. I can't remember what time I started eating, but it was probably around like 1, and then I ate a couple things, and then I stopped probably 3 hours after I ate the first time. But I wasn't like intentionally fasting at this point. It was just kind of happening. And then I realized I was fasting pretty much every day, and I was feeling really great. And I just started eating between the hours of 2 p.m. and 9 p.m. And what I did on my phone, I set a reminder to remind me every day at 2 to start eating, and to remind me at 9 p.m. every day to stop eating. And I usually try to keep it under 1,200 calories, which is recommended for weight loss for females. And yeah. Not yesterday, but the day before, I looked in the mirror and I was like, wow. I was like, something, like my body feels different. And I looked in the mirror and I was like, yes, my waist does look a little smaller. Like right when you wake up in the morning, you always like look better than you usually do at the end of the day. But I just kind of looked better than normal. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. So I was like, okay, tomorrow when I wake up, I'm gonna go to the store and weigh myself, and that's exactly what I did. And I had 11-pound weight loss. I will put it on the screen again, but yeah. And I think it probably was more than 11 pounds because I did have not a protein shake, a meal replacement shake in the morning, and I also drank a lot of water, so it's probably possible that that maybe put on 1 pound or something. And I was also wearing Blundstones, and those are pretty heavy shoes. So, damn, I'm stupid. I really should have taken off my Blundstones and not eaten yet. But anyways, 11 pounds is awesome, and I'm going to continue intermittent fasting probably for a long time. I don't see myself going back because I get so much mental clarity. Like right now, my life has been super, super positive. My mind feels so clear. That also might be because I banished a couple toxic friends in my life, and my life has gotten so much better. So many amazing friends have just like dropped into my life, and I'm so excited and so happy. I'm working a great job. School is almost over. I love my classes, and I really think the fact that my life has been so positive and so great lately that really helped me out. I haven't been having any cravings, like literally at all. And some of the things that I have been eating that possibly have been helping with my cravings, I've been eating a lot of strawberries, and I actually have this Greek yogurt dip that I take probably a teaspoon, and I dip my fruit in it if I want to. And I've also been eating baked kale, and I've also been eating a lot of baked asparagus. Yes, can I help you, miss? Yeah, shush. Yeah, and I actually filmed a video, and I'm going to show you guys probably in my next video or the next one after that how I make my baked asparagus. I also do it with broccoli, but I've been eating that super frequently. That probably had a lot to do with my weight loss, along with the intermittent fasting. And then also, like I said, I ate a lot of baked kale when I have like a sweet, not a sweet tooth, like a savory tooth almost, and I want something that maybe even like resembles a potato chip. I actually would prefer baked kale over a bag of chips any day, but like it's kind of like a hassle to make if the option of having a bag of chips is there. You know what I mean? Can you shush, miss? Thanks. Yeah, you look so cute, but like shush. And I will also be filming a baked kale video. I'm actually going to do it right after this one. yeah, I've just been feeling really motivated lately, and I really wanted to get this video done and let you guys know how I've been doing on my little fitness diet journey. I just started yesterday going back to the gym. Yeah, so that's just kind of like an update on my fitness goals, my fitness and health, and also kind of just my life. Sorry if I look a little off, considering my eye is still quite a bit swollen, but makeup really did help, as you can tell in this video. Yeah. This is Rosie. She's special, and she's annoying. Yeah, no, my dog actually is a descendant from hell. Anyways, that's pretty much all I have to say. I hope I didn't leave anything out because I didn't write any notes down. I just kind of went at this video. But if you made it to the end, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to be uploading pretty frequently, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications below. Also, I'd love if you'd follow me on Instagram because I just posted a new picture and I really want to start posting more on Instagram because I don't know, I've just been feeling really motivated and inspired lately. So yeah, anyways, love you guys so much. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next one.